Hello everyone, and today I will unboxing Rando Build that focus on the building in Minecraft game. Everyone who play Minecraft game, for me I play when I was young, but now I don't have time to play. Okay, now let me unbox this building for everyone. Hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and comment. I will try to make more video for everyone. Okay, now let's see together. Okay, wow, oh my god. Yeah, I ordered from China supermarket, and this for 3 years old kid, and the brand name is Random Block. Okay, I will check. And house 108 building or build or block. Okay, let's see together. Oh my god, what is that? Oh, let's see the back. Okay, okay, this building, I will build this building for everyone. This building, you see, this building. Okay, okay, let's see together. Oh my god, this the block. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Okay, wow, oh my god, wow. Okay, we get to TNT. You know TNT? TNT, it means the boom. Okay, two TNT. Yeah, two TNT. And this is star focus. Wow, so amazing. Okay. Oh my god. Wow, so cool. I love it. Everyone, do you love it? Okay, I will try to make a video building this for everyone, and hope you guys like and share my video. I know you guys that someone unsubscribe my channel. That I'm sorry that I try to make original content for everyone watch. Okay, hope you guys love my video, and thank you so much for your watching my video until the end. Okay, thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel name Basic, and I will try to make more video for everyone watching and relax with my video. Thank you so much. Bye, see you next episode.